This facility produces thousands of loaves daily.
The process begins with green bananas.
Only the best fruit is accepted. Controlled heat triggers ripening. Brown spots indicate peak sweetness.
Hygiene is the top priority.
Peeling is often done by hand. Skilled workers peel at high speed.
Bad fruit ruins the batch.
Bananas are crushed into puree.
The puree serves as the flavor base.
Flour provides the loaf structure.
Precise measurements ensure consistency.
Eggs bind the ingredients together.
Melted fat adds moisture.
Wet ingredients go in first.
Dry and wet are combined. Overmixing must be avoided.
Oil prevents the bread from sticking.
Weight control is critical.
Consistency ensures even baking.
Heat activates the leavening agents. Butter. The crust begins to form.
Precise heat prevents burning.
The Maillard reaction creates flavor.
The loaves emerge fully baked.
Loaves are removed while hot. Cooling takes several hours.
They must cool to the center.
Loaves are aligned for slicing. Blades move faster than the eye.
Visual defects are removed.
Packaging preserves freshness. The seal must be airtight. Traceability is required by law.
Safety checks are non-negotiable.
Underweight products are rejected.
Boxes are sealed for transport.
Pallets are stacked for stability.
Wrapping secures the load.
Orders are fulfilled daily. Orders are fulfilled daily. The bread leaves the factory.
The product is ready for sale.
Customers look for freshness.
The aroma is released.
Toasting enhances the flavor.
Butter complements the sweetness.
It is a comfort food staple.
Peels are recycled responsibly.
The factory is reset for tomorrow.
Maintenance prevents breakdowns.
This is how raw bananas become bread.